Love it. Okay. Next one is sleep. How do nerves affect sleep? Okay. So this is an important one for people that have problems where they did well, say 6 months, a year ago, go, man, now everything around just seems more stressful. Okay. At that point, when the effect of that can be lack of sleep. C1 area is right up here, base of the neck, from the back view, up here. That area, when it gets pinched, causes problems or affects the whole body. Talked about heart rate, talked about breathing, talked about just by not feeling well inside. That's the issue. Okay? Those nerves go back to the brain, and they get the brain to stay under a stress state. Okay, two things. Did talk on this, I think last week or 2 weeks ago on this one. When you're in stress, okay, a stress state, okay, you're going to have symptoms of less sleep. Okay, if I could spell, that'd be great. If I could spell. Be awesome. Higher, I'm going to call it anxiety, but maybe just a sense of all the time. Okay? So you're going to have those effects on your body, how you feel. What happens in that state, your body's chemistry goes producing more cortisol. You know what cortisol is for? You don't have to know, but you kind of know what that is?
Is it happiness or something in the brain?
That's actually
chemical in the brain.
It's chemical in the brain. It's the opposite. It's actually a hormone that affects the brain. That's your pain receptors. When you have higher cortisol, it's more of pain producing. When you're in pain, your cortisol kicks in. Under stress, cortisol kicks in. See a scary movie like I do? Kicks in for like 20 seconds. I'm like, get me out of here. Okay? Same thing it's the same thing as, you hear about it too, catecholamines. Oh, that's how I spell it. Okay. Same thing, cortisol, catecholamines. Those are your stress producers, or hormones are produced when you're under stress. Okay? So what happens when you get that? At that point the body wants to move less as a result. So overall body becomes stiff and tight. When you do that long enough, what's going to happen to your body? You're going to shut down. You're going to have a lack. We talked in the room before too. A lack of motion in the body. Muscles get weaker and weaker and weaker. So when you do move, it causes pain. So people do. They move less because it hurts too much. My senior patients, my people over 65 and over, they call them wiser patients too. Sometimes they are. At that point, they stop moving because they just hurts too much. You go from being mobile to a walker, to a wheelchair, to bedridden. No. Our job is to get them out of here over time by causing more motion. If you cause more motion, we'll do this in blue. I like blue. At that point, increase motion. And then we produce different hormones called serotonin. And these are, exactly Johnny, are more of your relaxation hormones, endorphins, that block pain, Dang. I gotta go back to third grade, learn how to spell again. Okay? And get your body to want to relax. Balance out. You need a balance of these, really. You need a balance. Okay? But when you're under stress, in a stress state, you produce more of these, so that's the issue. If you produce more, that balances off a little bit. From here to that point, we're more relaxed state. Okay? At that point, we have better sleep. As you can see, also, you're more relaxed. Whatever that there too. You can also, from there, once you have all of these together, the result is you can get stronger. To produce more of these, so your body stays in that relaxed state all the time.